At FIBC Recycling, we're more than just concerned about America's future. We're doing something about it. By providing a safe and cost-effective method of reusing flexible intermediate bulk containers, we're conserving our planet's precious natural resources while saving our valued customers hard-earned money. How do we do it? By forming a three-way partnership with you, our valued customer, and the end user of your products. A partnership that targets and meets your objectives for safe, effective, low-cost recycling. And one that meets our nation's important environmental needs as well. With our program, empty bags no longer go into crowded landfills. They come back to us for thorough inspection, cleaning, repair, and tracking, prior to refilling and return to the end user. To better understand our unique role in this important and valuable process, let's take a closer look at the services FIBC Recycling can provide. Incoming bags are carefully unpackaged in our own unique contamination control booth to eliminate cross-contamination of product. Bags are thoroughly cleaned using our own special system designed and built by Bag Engineering. This highly effective vacuum-based cleaning system removes 100% of recoverable product residue, eliminating costly product waste and disposal. The filters used in cleaning are product-specific and remain on file for reuse by the same customer and product type later. This changeable filter system eliminates any possibility of cross-contamination during the bag cleaning process. All product recovered during cleaning is delivered by the system into clean storage bags, then returned to the customer. At FIBC Recycling, every bag undergoes an extensive visual inspection by our highly trained staff. Each bag is carefully checked for defects that could compromise personal safety or bag integrity, including excessive holes, cuts or rips greater than 4 inches, damage to lift straps, excessive soiling, unreadable printing, or signs of cross-contamination. Groundable bags are also tested to ensure proper conductivity. Any bag judged unsuitable for reuse is first documented for the customer, then permanently removed from service. Some used bags may require minor repairs in order to meet original specifications. FIBC Recycling provides complete bag refurbishing facilities using the same or better equipment and materials. Here, damaged bags can receive missing ties, tickets, labels, and card holders, and patches can be applied to tears of less than 4 inches. These quality repairs extend the service life of your bags, adding value to your recycling program. At FIBC Recycling, returning a safe reconditioned bag is our #1 priority. One bag from each lot returned, and one of every 200 bags thereafter is selected for a complete top lift safety test. This important safety measure is performed using our own state-of-the-art equipment that tests in accordance with the IMDG code, the British standard, and all DOT requirements. Top lift tests provide all parties with important data to help establish bag performance under reuse. These tests are an invaluable tool that help us ensure the continued safety of our valued customers and their personnel. A key advantage offered by the FIBC reconditioning program is the complete tracking, recording, and reporting of each bag's specific history throughout the process. Each bag in the lot is issued its own unique tracking number, which remains with the bag throughout its service life. This number enables FIBC Recycling to track bags with complete accuracy and provide our customers with detailed information on each recycled bag, including the date each bag is returned for service, as well as the number of service cycles, the style and dedicated product content of each bag, and the cleaning and repair history of each bag. Our unique computer tracking system helps spot trends that take bags out of service, providing our customers with data that can help reduce costs by lowering preventable defects. FIBC Recycling provides computer-generated reports that contain damage analysis and repair history, allowing customers to implement their own safeguards to reduce loss. These valuable reports are your frontline defense against bag loss, higher recycling costs, and product waste. With each bag thoroughly inspected, cleaned, repaired, and computer logged, they are now ready for return to the customer. Each bag undergoes a final visual inspection as it is folded and stacked for baling. Proper baling under high pressure is the best method for reducing transport costs and is just as important for incoming shipments as it is for those going out for reuse. Finished bales are marked to show quantity, bag style, shipping weight, and work order number on the outside of the package to facilitate their handling and reuse upon arrival. As you can see, FIBC Recycling has the know-how and the equipment to make bulk container recycling both financially and environmentally rewarding. But ensuring economic success requires a three-way recycling partnership, one that targets and meets the suppliers, the end users, and FIBC Recycling's quality and price control requirements. You've seen the effort FIBC Recycling takes to ensure safe quality service. Now, let's review the important roles of the product supplier and the container end user in a successful joint reconditioning program. Suppliers can help ensure the economic success of the program by selecting only top quality containers designed for long life cycle use. Off-brand containers with inferior structural integrity can reduce bag lifespan, resulting in higher container cost. FIBC Recycling recommends using Super Sack containers offered by Bag Corporation. To begin a recycling program, suppliers must provide FIBC Recycling with MSD sheets for approval prior to shipping. Once a contract for services has been approved, suppliers must provide end users with key information regarding their participation in the program, including the specific bags and products under contract for recycling, inspection criteria to avoid the cost of returning unusable bags, special shipping and handling requirements, only one product and bag style per return lot to prevent cross-contamination, and the preferred packaging method and density of each return lot in order to keep transport costs to a minimum. The supplier must also communicate the damage analysis reports provided by FIBC Recycling so that action may be taken by the end user to reverse trends that lead to unnecessary bag damage or loss. The end user must work to prevent any unnecessary damage that can shorten bag life. Bags must never be intentionally cut and should be handled carefully at all times to prevent accidental cuts, tears, and abrasions, particularly on the lift straps. With careful handling and inspection, end users can eliminate the return of non-repairable bags, a key factor in cost control. Bags should always be emptied as thoroughly as possible to minimize product handling during cleaning. Empty bags by folding them over the discharge hopper to prevent dusting and contamination of surrounding work areas. After folding, roll the bag tightly to prevent contamination to the bag itself. Throughout this process, the operator must visually inspect each bag, discarding any that show one or more of the following defects: lift strap abrasion, excessive holes or any hole or tear larger than 4 inches, major components missing such as panels or spouts, bags with unapproved contents, bags with severe stains, or bags with unreadable printing. The end user must discard bags showing any of these defects to avoid the added cost of returning and cleaning unusable containers. Low transport costs play a vital role in recycling cost containment. Bags returned by the end user to FIBC Recycling must be segregated according to bag type and product content, then efficiently packaged using one of the following methods: hand packing into baler bags, packaging into corrugated cardboard boxes, or baling under compression. While each of these packaging methods is acceptable, baling under compression provides the least expensive return freight cost per bag. The use of a bag baler is recommended to achieve maximum load compression and density. However, Bag Corporation can provide an inexpensive baler that uses standard fork truck blades to compress the load for shipping. Bag Corporation also offers high-capacity bag balers if needed. Corrugated is the least preferred packaging method since boxes add to landfill waste after delivery. As you have seen, the ultimate success of this program is dependent upon a true partnership between the supplier, the end user, and FIBC Recycling. We invite your questions and your participation in this worthwhile effort. We know it can save you money, But more importantly, it will help save our environment. At FIBC Recycling, we believe working as partners toward a cleaner America really can make a difference.